Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that your BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit are not charging. Firstly, check if you have a foil at the charging contacts, especially if you buy new earbuds. So right here we have charging contacts, and check if you have a foil on it, and also you can check this foil for the charging contacts at the charging case. Now, if you know that you haven't foil, next step I recommend it to clean charging contacts on your earbuds and at the charging case. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel, but shortly you need to apply the propyl alcohol to the charging contacts and then clean it with a brush, or if you haven't clean tool, you can use a toothbrush. Now, also I recommend it to check your cable and adapter. Maybe you need to change and use another one, maybe the problem in your cable. And also at the right side right here we have USB-C port, so check this port also. Maybe you have a problem with this port. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!